Good morning, everybody. It is a weirdly warm Sunday morning. It's 36 degrees and rain. And by this time tomorrow, it's supposed to be 11 below zero and 6 to 10 inches of snow. Got a blizzard warning starting in about 4 hours, so I've got a fair amount to get done before that starts. So big project for today before the storm hits is to get all of this tarp on the back of these pinned up. I want them to be entirely enclosed tonight. All right, so for now, I think that is going to work. I got this secured on the other side there and around the back, so there's a nice overlap. And then this, when I pull it out, will take me almost down to that third cage. So that'll be perfect. The rain has changed to sleet. So, I'll get some firewood. So not sure how well this is going to turn out because I'm using a phone flashlight here, but tarps are over everything. Everybody's good to go. Good morning, everybody. It is a chilly Monday morning. Got everything plowed and shoveled, so we're going to check on the animals. How you ladies doing this morning? As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. What you doing, Mama? Ready for a little lunch? Lunch, dinner, breakfast, whatever we call this.